Hello friends, today we are into something very interesting and exciting for you. Do you know what is it about? It's about your own YouTube. Have you ever wondered who is the founder of our YouTube? How many people watch YouTube every day and what place does YouTube acquire among the most used social media platforms? So, if you are curious to know some astonishing facts about YouTube, then just watch this video till the end. So come along with me into the real world of YouTube. Let's get started. YouTube was officially founded on Feb 14, 2005. YouTube is an American online video sharing and social media platform owned by Google. It was launched in Feb 2005 by Steve Chen, Chad Hurley and Javed Karim. In October 2006, the YouTube was bought by Google for $1.65 billion. Google, of course, is the biggest search engine in the world, but right behind it is YouTube, which is bigger than Bing, Yahoo and Ask combined. Let me just give you a few facts about YouTube. Every April Fool's Day, the YouTube plays a prank on its millions of users. When they played their first prank, they turned the website upside down and rickrolled everyone. The first world leader to create a YouTube channel was a British Prime Minister, Tony Blair, who made his account in 2007. First video followed on April 23rd, this founder, Javed Karim, publishing Me at the Zoo. The now legendary 18 seconds of the film has been viewed over 126 million times. Can you believe it? With over 2 billion monthly active users, the platform has come a long way. In fact, nearly 43% of all global internet users access YouTube every single month. YouTube statistics. YouTube currently has 2 billion users, up from 800 million users in 2012. 42.9% of all global internet users access YouTube monthly. Daily active users of the YouTube are more than 1 billion hours of content is consumed on YouTube every single day. Do you know that YouTube's user count of 2 billion plus places makes it on the second list of the most used social media platforms? Only Facebook has more users. India has the most YouTube users, estimated at 225 million. The United States follows with 197 million. Among the top 10 biggest viewers, the United Kingdom averages the most views per person. YouTube is the most popular among people aged 15 to 35. Globally, more women than men use YouTube. 96.6% of YouTube channels have fewer than 10,000 subscribers. Quarterly, YouTube ad revenue is over $7 billion. On average, individual creators receive between $3 to $5 per thousand views. Do you know what is the number of monthly active users? Monthly active users is a statistic denoting how many unique visitors YouTube receives in a given month. This figure only measures logged-in users, so that the actual numbers may be even higher. YouTube has over 2 billion monthly active users. Among these, there are more than 30 million paid subscribers, taking into account YouTube's premium and music services. Of all the active mobile internet users, 46.7% log on YouTube monthly. Do you know what is the number of daily active users? Daily active user statistics relate to YouTube usage on any given day, while monthly stats give a good idea of the overall user base. Daily figures can show how many people log on to YouTube as part of their everyday routine. 62% of US YouTube users access the site daily. This amounts to more than 122 million people. Worldwide, users watch more than 1 billion hours of content every day. An average visitor spends 16 minutes and 44 seconds per day on YouTube. Daily statistics for creators show the sheer scale of YouTube. Each minute, more than 500 hours of new content is uploaded. That's 7,20,000 hours of new videos per day. While watching YouTube, have you ever imagined these things? YouTube's user growth. YouTube currently has over 2 billion users, which means close to half of the global online population are YouTube users. So how did the video sharing platform get to this point? There isn't any official consolidated data on YouTube's user growth rate over time, but we can get a reasonable idea by pulling various sources together. Here are some milestones in terms of YouTube's user growth. YouTube currently ranks second overall in terms of all overall traffic. The only website to receive more traffic is that of its parent company, Google. YouTube users by country. YouTube is localized in over 100 countries. It can also be used in 18 different languages. Clearly, the video sharing platform has become a truly global phenomenon. But how do usage statistics break down by country? India has the most active YouTube users. At least 225 million people living in India are YouTube users. That's around 16% of the population. The USA comes in second on raw user account, but that translates to a much higher proportion of the country. Almost 73% of the entire US population aged 15 plus are users, rising to 77% among 15 to 35-year-olds. Here are the top 5 countries by total estimated number of YouTube users. India, 225 million. USA, 197 million. Brazil, 83 million. Japan, 60 million, and Russia 58 million. Do you know which are the most subscribed YouTube channels? T-Series, India's largest music label, is the most subscribed YouTube channel. You made it. That's the end of my list of YouTube user statistics. Hopefully, you found these facts and figures informative. Lots of the YouTube stats beyond the address page require some hunting down, but I have done my best to put a good selection together in one place. Now, I would like to hear from you. Any questions or anything you would like to see added to this YouTube roundup? Either way, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you.